Everyone talks about success, the money, the freedom, the respect. But nobody talks about what it takes away from you. Not because it's scary, but because it's uncomfortable. And uncomfortable truth doesn't sell dreams. They tell you, follow your passion, believe in yourself, stay motivated. But motivation doesn't show up on the days you feel empty. Passion doesn't help when results don't come. And belief gets quiet when you fail again for the 10th time. Success is lonely. Not dramatic lonely, silent lonely. Your phone stops buzzing, invitations stop coming. People don't ask how you are. They assume you're busy. You start walking alone, thinking alone, doubting alone. And that's when most people quit. Not because it's hard, but because nobody is watching. Success is boring. Same routine, same work, same discipline. No applause, no background music, just repetition. Day after day, week after week, year after year. While everyone else is chasing excitement, you're building something no one understands yet. And that boredom, that's the price. Real progress doesn't come from motivation. It comes from self-respect, from doing the work even when you don't feel like it, from keeping promises you made to yourself. Discipline is saying, I don't need to feel ready, because waiting to feel ready is how dreams quietly die. One day, people will say, you're lucky. They won't see the nights you questioned yourself, the weekends you stayed in, the times you wanted to stop but didn't. And that's okay. You didn't do it for their understanding. You did it because quitting was never an option. Now you know the truth. Success isn't loud. It's quiet, lonely, boring, and worth it. What you do with this truth is on you.